you ever get home so cooked you don't have the energy left to do the one thing you told yourself you do today? You can push through a 10-hour shift without complaining, but ask you to do 10 minutes on the thing you actually care about and suddenly your body just won't move. Technically speaking, it's not a willpower problem, it's a design problem. Willpower is a battery. It's finite. It dies after one bad day, and when it dies, the old pattern wins. 3 parts fix this. No new app, no willpower required. Let's go! Step 1. The minimum rule. Here's what I used to do. Build a full routine, full workout, full morning stack. I'm great for about a week. Then one bad shift, one bad night's sleep, and gone. The routine is not the problem. The height of it is. I built it at a full charge and never tested it at empty. So ask a different question. Not what the full version looks like. What's the smallest version that survives your worst day? Not the full workout, just shoes by the door. Not the full morning stack, only one glass of water before the phone. That's the minimum rule. The version of the goal that survives you being completely cooked. Quick action today. Pick a routine that died on you. Cut it to under 60 seconds. Not the full workout, just one push-up. Not the full meal prep, just one apple. Not the whole clean of the house, just one dish in the sink. Not the full session, just the laptop open for 60 seconds. That's it. The minimum rule alone still isn't enough. Here's what's killed it for me for years. Step 2, the trigger stack. I thought the small version would just happen because it's small. It didn't. Even a tiny action needs a decision, and on low battery days, decisions are what's missing. Think about how a McDonald's runs. A 17-year-old with 2 weeks training runs that kitchen flawlessly because every step is already attached to the step before it. So the minimum rule stacks onto something that already happens no matter what goes on. Alarm goes off, glass of water before the phone. You're not deciding to do the routine anymore, you're finishing something already started. So quick action, pick one thing that happens daily no matter how bad it is. Your alarm, your coffee, your shoes at the door. The second you sit down at your desk, stack the minimum rule onto the exact moment. Drop a comment right now. Tell me the one routine that keeps dying on you. Just name it. That's your first minimum rule right there. Do it now, then keep watching. Let me be honest about where this came from. I work a 7-to-3 retail shift, honors mechanical engineering degree, dean's list, and I still couldn't find an engineering job. Retail was what I had. More recently, for 2 years, I couldn't get myself to lift weights. I had the dumbbells, I had the barbells sitting right there at home. I found every excuse not to touch them. A week ago, I stopped making excuses and set 15 minutes a day. I haven't broken that streak once. Step 3, the bad day protocol. And this is the part that I've never seen another video talk about. What happens when you miss it anyway? Because you will. Most people respond the same way. They write the whole week off. One missed day becomes a dead routine. The bad day protocol stops the spiral. Your streak only tracks the minimum rule. Did you do it? Yes or no? A day you were wrecked and you still hit the minimum, that's not a lesser day. That's a win. Logged. That's not settling. That's engineering. Perfect weeks are rare. Broken days are most often. The system has to survive the broken ones. So quick action. Next time you miss a day, ask what the smallest version is. One push-up instead of the workout. One apple instead of the whole meal prep. One sentence instead of the whole page. Do that. The bad day protocol holds the line. Listen, you don't have a discipline problem. You have a routine built for a version of you that only shows up occasionally when the battery is full. Resting when you're cooked isn't a failure. Forcing the full version is. The minimum rule, the trigger stack, and the bad day protocol. Pick one dying routine, apply this today. If this hits, subscribe. No fluff, no hustle culture, real systems from someone still building in the gaps, same as you. The executor kit is in the description, free, check it out. Watch this next video for the next strategy to close the gap between knowing what to do and actually doing it. And if you haven't done so, comment below what's the one routine that keeps